In this video, we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0xc1900104 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows Update error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows Search and types disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Select the drive you want to clean up. Select the drive where your program files exist and click on OK. Disk cleanup for Windows C. Here make the check against various options: downloaded program files, temporary internet files, recycle bin, thumbnails, temporary files, etc. And click on OK from the bottom right corner. Click on OK. A pop-up window will open. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. Close the windows and check whether Windows Update error code in your system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is right click on start, run. You may press Win plus R sort run dialog box, and in run dialog box type services.msc to open services windows in your system. Services.msc, click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here you will have to execute start or restart Windows Update related services, and the first one is background intelligent transfer service, BITS. Right click on it and first choose a start. If you already found it in start mode, then choose restart. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to its startup type section and set a startup type as automatic. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. The same procedure will be applied for other three services, and the second one is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. Restart cryptographic services. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The third services you will have to start or restart is Windows installer services. Scroll down and right click on Windows installer services and choose start or restart, whichever applicable for you, and thereafter apply a start or restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the fourth Windows Update services is Windows Update services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. And click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether Windows Update error code in your Windows 11 and 10 system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run and follow on-screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issues, fix them accordingly. And check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD. Command prompt, open as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. And in command prompt windows, execute these three DISM tool one by one. as shown on screen: dism online scanhealth, dism online checkhealth, and dism online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows. Don't forget to press enter each time after each entry, and thereafter execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system having issues with Windows Update resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system and open Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, then same procedure will apply. Temporary disabled third-party antivirus. Simply turn off Windows Defender Firewall under both the network, under private network as well as public network. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, temporarily disable it and try to update your Windows operating system. And once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall as well as third-party antivirus, and check whether your system error, Windows Update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open command prompt Windows, same process. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute some Windows Update components, and as shown on screen, first execute these four commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. To stop these four services, execute one by one in command prompt Windows, and thereafter execute some other Windows Update components as shown on screen. All these command paths will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and press it in command prompt Windows one by one. Don't forget to press enter after each command. Thereafter, execute these four commands to start all those four services you have earlier stopped them. Now start. Once successfully execution of Windows Update component, don't forget to restart your system and your Windows Update error code definitely be resolved.